In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Coinbase in 2025. Change Coinbase email address. First, open your web browser and search for Coinbase. From the results, choose the official Coinbase website. Take a second to double check the address bar so you're on the legitimate site before you sign in. This is especially important when you're about to change security-related information like your email address. If you have bookmarks, using your saved Coinbase bookmark is even better to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on the site, log in with your account. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and complete any two-factor authentication prompt if you have it enabled. Make sure you have access to your current email or your authentication method, because Coinbase may use it to confirm that it's really you making this change. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private browsing window to keep your session secure. After you're signed in, head to your profile. You'll typically find your profile icon or initial in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it to open the account menu. This is where Coinbase groups your personal settings and preferences, including security details. From the profile menu, click on Accounts. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Accounts under Settings or within a settings page that includes an account section. The goal is to get to the part of your account where your personal information is listed, so look for the section that shows contact details. Inside Accounts, locate the field for your email address and select Edit. You should see your current email displayed. Before you type a new email, make sure you already have access to that new inbox, since this is where future security alerts and transaction receipts will go. Enter the new email carefully to avoid typos, because a small mistake could prevent you from receiving important messages. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code. Coinbase will send this code to one of your verified methods, such as your current email or your two-factor authentication app or device. Retrieve the code promptly and enter it exactly as shown. Do not share this code with anyone, and ignore unsolicited messages asking for it. After you submit the correct code, Coinbase will process the change. You may see a confirmation message on screen. If you're asked to verify again or review your details, follow the prompts until you see that your email has been updated. That's it. Your Coinbase email address is now changed. Keep your new inbox secure and consider reviewing your security settings to ensure everything stays protected.